Hello students, today we will study about TDS measurement of water. TDS, what do you mean by TDS? What is the full form? All about how to measure, all about we will discuss in this video. So, TDA means total dissolved solids. In water, how much solid is present we will measure. Okay. Now let's know brief about TDS. Total dissolved solids. That means TDS. In short, TDS are the total amount of mobile charged ions, including minerals, salts, or metals, dissolved in a given volume of water, expressed in units of mg per unit volume of water. Mg per liter, also referred to as parts per million. That is ppm, parts per million. Parts per million in short, ppm. Now, let's know about how to calculate the TDS, total dissolved solids. Method 2, using filter paper and scale. Let's know the method. First is gather materials, weight the evaporating dish in milligram, stir the water sample in the beaker with your stirring stick, collect 50 ml of water in the pipette, extract the filtrate. Then next step is weight the evaporating dish with the filtrate, plug data into the formula. It is the simple technique. Okay. Next technique. What should be the TDS level in drinking water? What we are drinking the water. What should be the TDS? Having said that the minimum TDS based on some studies should be at least close to 30 ppm. Keeps the mineral levels in check. The Bureau of Indian Standard, in short BIS, fixes the upper limit of TDS in drinking water at 500 ppm. Now let's know about what is total solid in water. Total solids is a measure of the suspended and dissolved solids in water. Suspended solids are those that can be retained on a water filter and are capable of settling out of the water column onto the stream bottom when stream velocity are low. Now let's know about, is low TDS water is harmful? Actually, its answer is not really. No. Not really. It is generally better to have a low count TDS from drinking water. But there is a limit. Minerals. So the ultimate goal is not to get a TDS of 0. We also need some minerals. The salt content of blood is slightly inferior to 1%. Anytime you drink water below 1%, you are losing electrolytes. Understood? Next question is, what is the best level of TDS in drinking water? In terms of total dissolved solids, in the US, the Environmental Protection Agency EPA advises against consuming water containing more than 500 mg per liter, otherwise known as 500 parts per million of TDS. Although many health specialists believe that ideal drinking water should be under 50 ppm or lower. What is the TDS of Aquafina water? Our question is, what is the TDS of Aquafina water? FDA guidelines require that bottled water, excluding mineral water, contain no more no more than 500 ppm TDS. For a bottled water to be labeled purified, it must have TDS of no more than 10 ppm. Aquafina's average TDS reading is 4, that's 2.5 times lower than FDA standards and 75% less than the closest competitive brand. Understood? Now completed. In this video we come to know about TDS. Complete knowledge about TDS I have given. So any question regarding TDS you can ask me in the comment box. And please subscribe my channel. Thank you.